Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, we'll be talking about Apple's new decision to make iPhone 11 in India. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. After iPhone 7, iPhone XR, iPhone SE and iPhone 6s, Apple begins manufacturing one of its latest offerings, the iPhone 11, locally in this country. Communications, Electronics and Information Technology Minister of India, Ravi Shankar Prasad, tweeted about it on Friday. iPhone 11 is being assembled at Foxconn's Chennai plant. This is for the first time Apple is manufacturing a top-of-the-line iPhone model in India. The local assembly line for iPhone 11 will help Apple to avoid a 20% tax that the company is required to pay for importing handsets from its global manufacturing facilities. Announcing iPhone 11 local manufacturing news, Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railways and Commerce and Industry, said, "Significant boost to Make in India. Apple has started manufacturing iPhone 11 in India, bringing a top-of-the-line model for the first time in the country." You can see what Ravi Shankar Prasad had tweeted on this news by pausing this video. The announcement of iPhone 11 local manufacturing comes nearly 9 months after Apple began the assembly line for the iPhone XR in India. Apple started locally manufacturing iPhones in India in May 2017 with the iPhone SE at Wistron, Bengaluru facility. It was later expanded to Foxconn's facilities. Last year in October, Apple started manufacturing the iPhone XR locally in India. Apple has Foxconn, Wistron and Pegatron as suppliers for its iPhone models. Reports suggest that Foxconn plans to invest up to $1 billion to expand its India factory where it assembles iPhone models. Another report stated that Pegatron, which is the second largest iPhone assembler after Foxconn in India, will make some investment to set up a local subsidiary in India. India has over 50 crore smartphone users right now, which makes it one of the most important markets for the company. Various smartphone manufacturers like Xiaomi, Samsung, Vivo, among others have invested resources in the country to meet the growing demand for the consumers. So that's all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. See you guys in the next video. Bye.